Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is wambogitatui, and if it's your first time on my channel, you're most definitely welcome. So today I created this bomb look for you guys. If you want to see all the products I used for this look and how I achieved it, please keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 330, and I'm going to be applying it on my eyebrow area since my eyebrows tend to oil and all that, and it's not really cute. Then I'm going to take a Davis brow pencil in the shade number 18, and I'm going to be using it to fill in my eyebrows. Then I'll take a spoolie and I'm gonna brush the beginning of the eyebrow to create a nice faded look at that part, and to also spread out the shade all over the eyebrow. Then I'm gonna take concealer, Revlon Photo Ready Candid for concealer in the shade, oh my god, I forgot, I'm gonna put it down on the description box. I'm gonna be using it to clean my eyebrows. All the products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to list them on the description box because I might have forgotten some of their names. Then I'll take the same concealer and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids to prep my lids for eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go with a damp beauty blender and blend out the concealer all over my eyelid. Always remember to have your beauty blender damp. Then we're going to go with that black shade and I'm going to be tapping it in on my eyelid. I'll take that Daisy palette, take that Off God shade. It's a nice purple shade. I'm going to be using it to blend out the edges of the black shade that I had applied. But this brush was really big for that. So I went with a smaller brush. And yeah, I was blending out using it. For me, this black shade was really pigmented. And blending out the edges was a little bit difficult. I spent some more time doing it. But anyway, it was okay. I'll go back with the same palette, take that shade Honor. It's a real nice hot pink shade. I'm going to be using it to blend out the edges of the purple shade I had applied, using a small brush, a smaller brush, and using feather-like strokes to have an airbrushed look. Then we'll take that black glitter. It wasn't as shiny as I thought it would be, but it was really pigmented. I didn't even really need a glitter adhesive for that. I just packed them on my eyelid and they stuck there really well. They made the black shadow pop. I popped some eyelashes. Then it's time for face. I'm gonna be using that Miniso Hydro Makeup Base and Maybelline Pore Eraser Primer. I'll apply both products all over my face. Then it's time for foundation. We're gonna be using Revlon New Photo Ready Candid foundation, and I'm gonna be applying it all over my face. If you haven't checked my previous video, I reviewed this foundation and the concealer. I'm gonna be leaving a link on my description box for the video. Then I'll go back with the concealer and I'm gonna be applying it on my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and the cupid's bow. Using the same damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend out the concealer. This concealer is really nice. It's easy to blend, and I really like it. Then for setting my face, I'm gonna be using Maybelline powder and Beauty Creations loose powder. I'm gonna be applying them all over my face to set my face. For the Beauty Creations powder, I applied it the part that I had applied the concealer, and then the Maybelline compact powder, I applied it all over my face. Going back with the same palette that I had used before, we'll take that dark brown shade, and I'm going to be using it as a contour, to contour my cheekbones and my nose, and also my forehead. Then we'll take that purple shade. I'm going to be applying it on my lower on my waterline. Then take that shade Honor, the pink shade, and I'm going to use it to blend out the purple shade and also to draw some color on my lower lashes or my lower eyelid. Then I'll take that yellow shade and I'm gonna be applying it on my tear dots. Time for mascara. I'm gonna apply mascara on my lower lashes and my upper lashes. To set my face, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fix Plus all over my face. Then time for highlighter. I'm gonna highlight the high point of my face. That is my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my chin. For me, I love my highlighter blinding, like a lot of it. I love the glow. I love looking like a fireball. Time for lipstick. I'm going to be using Huda Cosmetic lipstick in the shade Vamp. It's a really nice red shade. It's a really shouting red shade, and I really love it. for today's, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to leave a comment down below, and to share the video with your friends. So yeah, let me see you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.